Hi, I'm Tim Comperta, and this is the AI assignment 4, or Markov chains and making names. So first we're going to start off with the demonstration of the code. So it allows us to choose for boys names, girls for girls names, or manual, because likely that was what you'll need if you want to type it in. So I'm going to start off with boys names. What order of Markov chain would you like? I'm going to go with 4 because that seems to be the most consistent and makes up the best names. Uh, about 4-letter name is pretty good. Then max 10 letters. Don't get too crazy. And then let's say we want 7 names. Bam, right away. We got Brailer, Kristen, Davio, Brander, Eriki, Laryl, and Derry. Then we have the option if we want to go again. Yes, if Y for yes, and N for no. We're going to say no for that. And now is the demonstration of code. So I have multiple functions. I have the names class, which is this whole rounding thing, and that only takes the file name and the Markov order. The Markov order. And so it makes a line list, Markov order, hash table, which is a dictionary because it's Python, takes the file, reads files, and then appends the dashes for names, then makes a list of size 27 for each value, for each key. The value is a list of size 27. And then this is where it hashes and gives us values. So adds by 1 for each appearance of a letter, depending on the key. And then probability build allows us to build the probability by taking the total that's in each key, the values. Yeah, the total of values in each key, and then dividing that by the current value. So that's what's going on here. And then we build name, which will take a min length and a max length. And that builds by taking a random number. And then just from where we currently are, this is the key. Then starts at 0, and then subtracts to get to the letter. And then from there, it checks if it's in the search length parameters. And then as long as it's not inside our list that we submitted, and then chops off the dashes and \n, which is in there, and then it capitalizes the first letter, and then it returns the name. If it's in the self.lines list, then we'll just build it again. And then if it's not in the correct length, then we'll just build it again. And then so boys, girls is my current directory path. Then while true is how I have this whole setup for male or female. And then order of model, calling out three of the functions, or the class, then the two methods, minimum length, the maximum length, and then number of names to generate. And then it calls the function. Did call the function. Oops. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it calls it right here. And asks if you want to play again. If you don't, it'll just break out of this huge while loop. If you do, it'll continue.